Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can freeze column right here in our Excel. Right, as you can see, we have figure right here in A, C, and E. We also have in L. If I come like this and I go back all the way, you notice in L. But if you notice when I go on L, I can't see nothing in the first column. So I wanted to view L and A together. Right, very important. We're going to do that. First, we're going to freeze the column. So you're going to click right here in the column, right here. Now, when you're going to come all the way up here, you notice, you're going to click right here on view. You want to click on view. This is the freeze pane. You already select the column already. Alright, so if you want to click on the pointer right here, you notice the freeze pane. Notice it's a freeze top row. Right here, it's a freeze first column. So if I come like this and I click on the column, right, I'm going to go to my keyboard. Therefore, arrow there, I'm going to press on the right arrow. Right, so notice the cursor start to move, or you can come right here and click just the same. You notice I click. So this is my first. I notice this one is L. I'm actually viewing both of them same time here, and I can also shift and go back to the rest of them like that. You notice this, I'm still seeing this. So I come right there, let's go back. Right, so because we end up freeze it, we could be able to see both of them together. So if you have like maybe 1,000 sheet or whatever, you can literally do that just the same. But we're going to unfreeze it. We're going to go back right here. Notice right up here. You say unfreeze and click, and there you go. So this is how you use the freeze pane right here in Excel. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.